Hi dear, this is Shoma. Welcome to my new video, and today we're going to learn another 5 new translation, and it's so much important for spoken English, also job sector. So let's start. তুমি কি পাগল? Are you mad? Are you mad? তুমি কে? Who are you? Who are you? তুমি কি হারিয়ে গেছো? Are you lost? Are you lost? তুমি কি হারিয়েছো? What have you lost? তুমি কি হারিয়েছো? What have you lost? আমার মোবাইল হারিয়ে ফেলেছি। I lost my mobile. I lost my mobile. তুমি কি আসতে পারবে? Can you come? Can you come? মনে হয় না আসতে পারবো। I don't think I can come. I don't think I can come. So it's so much important. Note it in your notebook. Number now. Thank you.